omelet in our RangeMate Pro. I preheated the bottom only with the lid off for 3 minutes. Quick spray of pan. I'm just going to pour my eggs in. It's just 3 eggs, nothing else, but you can mix whatever you normally do for your omelets. And I'm going to put it in the microwave and cook it on high for 2 minutes. There we go. I'm going to add my ingredients to 1/2 of the omelet, just on the right side here. Just for our sample here, I'm going to add ham and cheese. You might want to add tomatoes or spinach or, well, way too much cheese, okay. And I'm going to fold half of it over. Just have to get under here a little bit. Nice and crispy looking. Now I'm going to fold it over so the cheese part is on the heat. There we go. I'm just going to put the lid on and cook for 2 more minutes. So my omelet's done. Go ahead and scoop it out. And you see it is totally beautiful. Put it on a plate. And since we're in South Texas, it's a requirement that we put salsa on the top of our omelet. So I hope this is helpful. The RangeMate Pro. So again, I preheated it for 3 minutes, cooked the egg for 2, added the ingredients, folded it over, and cooked it for another 2 minutes. Thank you.